Hello there, my name is Anna Maria. I'm a yoga teacher specializing in back care, and I'm also a clinical massage therapist. Learn on this course how to use mind-body science to unlock your capacity for self-healing and to create a healthy, joyful, and abundant life. Did you know that your brain and your nervous system dictate your experience of pain? The issue is not just in the tissue. There's much more going on than just what you feel on the physical level. With persistent pain, your brain is on autopilot. It registers pain signals even if there is no tissue damage. The brain has the ability to turn up your experience of pain, and it has the ability to turn it down. Learn how to rewire your brain and manage persistent pain on this course. You know, painkillers can help you get through the day, but they are not helping you to heal, and it may be making you feel less in control of your health. Pain science has come a long way, and we now understand that mind-body techniques can be an incredible tool for managing pain, helping us to not have to rely on things like painkillers. In this course, you will learn how mindfulness meditation, mindset, movement, and lifestyle changes can support you to move out of pain and into ease. Learn how pain is processed in your brain and body. Understanding how it works hands you back control. Learn how mindset plays a role in helping us to understand that the real harm comes from allowing ourselves to wallow in our pain and become frustrated with it, because those emotions injure us at a much deeper level. Learn tools and practices that have been proven to decrease pain so that you can start to feel like yourself again. Understand how movement can be a tool to help you live pain-free and not something to be afraid of. Build confidence and strength in your movements and in your body.